Welcome back. This is the first video that I'm doing of 2024. I was in Brazil for a little while. That's kind of why like the content kind of slowed down, but I'm gonna pick it back up. And I feel like I'm coming back with a banger. You guys love the videos that I do. That's like cheap mods or like cool mods for these E36s. So today I got another one. Very simple, very, what's the word I'm looking for? I think it's stylish, something that's like low-key but adds some style to your car. Hope you guys can see this. It is freezing cold here now in Georgia. My legs, oh my god, I'm so ashy. But anyways, here it is, a plastic roof spoiler, RS type. I don't know where this comes from, but I bought it on eBay for like 35 bucks or 50 bucks. Yeah, we're gonna paint it and then put it on the car. Yeah, it'll basically sit like this. It's pretty like low key and just kind of like adds a little bit of flair to, you know, the rear of your car. There's another pretty popular like roof spoiler. I think it's by HM something, some other brand, but it's pretty big and it's like every single E36 runs that roof spoiler. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna use to paint. We gotta go buy the supplies. Oh shit. Oh shit. Yeah, stop playing with me. If you haven't seen this video, go hit that video in my profile. The seat is banging. I haven't even driven the car with this seat yet. I don't know about that. This car is driving pretty weird, but not bad. But we're gonna run to the store and cop the paint right now. Just made it to All Reliable. It had been so long since I driven manual that the car almost didn't go into fifth, and I put it in the third. So I almost blew up the trans that way. And then when I was pulling in here, I thought I clutched in to pull it out of third and put it into second. I think I didn't clutch in, and I literally got so scared because I saw my shifter go like this, and I was like, oh, there it is. RIP the Getrag. All right, so I just got the supplies. Had to get some sandpaper, 600 and then 800. This is the color, original GM color. The name of it is Galaxy Silver Metallic. And then I go with this primer, and I go with the lighter color. There's a darker color just because I think that if I went with the darker color, this silver would be too dark. So headed home now, and we're gonna start this process. I got my little station here set up. It's nothing special. First step first. First thing we need to do is just sand this so that it's kind of like rough, so it's got the primer can adhere to something. So that's our first step.
Seeing what's poppin'. Yo, Travis.
And then now, pretty much anything that you see in the primer is gonna be like texture-wise, is gonna come out in your clear. So if you're unhappy with how it looks at this stage, you should probably primer and keep sanding. In all honesty, this isn't a show car. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put the base color on here.
Porn star girl, all from the valley.
Honestly, God bless.
So next day, it came out pretty good. It's pretty glossy, shiny. I don't think I need to put any more on. So yeah. All right, for mounting purposes, I got this Scotch. You could use 3M, but I'm using this Scotch stuff. I feel like it's the same, it's just double-sided tape. I'm gonna give it a good wipe down. I'm using lacquer thinner to clean this off. I don't recommend it, but I feel like this maybe should be what I should be using. But I don't know. Should be good.
Tell me is you still love? It's 5 a.m. and I'm drunk right now. Tell me can we still fuck? 101, I'm in the zone right now. Tell me am I still? Telling you just how I feel right now. You say it's just a drug.
All right, so it's on. That spot right there was a little bit high, so I put some tape just to like kind of see if it'll cure. I kind of got a little bit of doubts about it staying on, but I feel like it shouldn't really, you know, it's not like holding a lot of weight. It's not heavy or anything like that, so it might be good. I'm gonna, I guess, let it cure, let it adhere, and then show you guys tomorrow in the sunlight. I think it turned out pretty well. As long as the tape holds, we'll be good. All right, y'all, so daytime. Here it is. Let me take off this tape. It could sit down a little bit better, but what are we thinking? I think it looks pretty sick. It's a nice, like, cheap mod, if that's what you're looking for. Something that's not too crazy. Isn't gonna be like super bold like the other roof wings. Yeah, so if you guys want this, cop it on eBay. Do this quick little DIY paint job that I did, slap it on your car. Other way, if you don't want to do the 3M tape thing, I saw people do it with like that black caulk. I guess it's like window glue or something. Depending on how many people comment on this video and let me know that I should not do it with this 3M tape, I might take it off and then put that on, but I think it should be fine. I'll keep you updated in future videos and let you know if this thing ended up just flying off. But if you guys enjoyed, hit that like button, comment, let me know. Did you guys enjoy this? Do you guys plan on getting it for your car? And subscribe to not miss out on any of my future videos, and I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one. Peace.
Fuck around, I dump this Glock, this stick on go, it's one up top.